Health and safety regulations dictate that it must be safe and easy for anyone to exit a building via a fire door, even if it's locked for security purposes. That's where our Zap exit buttons fit in. The range includes a model to suit any environment, from basic installs to designer projects. But in this video, we'll be focusing on the speciality buttons. These clever buttons offer superb flexibility for installations that require a more tailored approach. When triggered, the button activates a switch, which then opens a door in an emergency. And on all of the buttons in our varied range, they have normally open and normally closed contacts to match any relay setup on any install. They are the perfect add-on for any electrical installation job, and they're ideal to pair up with one of our Zap maglocks as well. So let's take a look at these speciality exit buttons in a bit more detail. These buttons are perfect to use in places where people may struggle with dexterity, featuring an 80mm wide easy press button. The jumbo buttons come with their own green surface mount pattress and a choice of legends to suit all of the various uses. For installations where space is a bit tight, there are still plenty of stylish button options to choose from. These lovely looking compact exit buttons come complete with their own mounting back box that only has a small footprint of 53 by 53mm. Visually, they're very similar to the designer range of buttons that we've just looked at, with classic green and red options, plus stainless steel and an illuminated button. However, these compact exit buttons are made in an attractive zinc alloy with a neat matte finish. Even more compact are these slim frame mount exit buttons, great for installing where space is really at a premium. They have a stylish design with smooth lines and an attractive matte finish, so they look smart against any surface. And their slim footprint means that they can fit against nearly any size door frame. And that is only some of the superb buttons in the Zap exit button range. To see the range covered in more detail with full specifications, use the product codes on the following slide in the search bar over at systemq.com. And remember, these exit buttons will pair perfectly with the Zap maglock range as well.